Well, another episode. Yeah. Thought she was getting in trouble. Not supposed to be back there. My name is Bobby. This is Angel. We're A to B Adventure. This is Piper. Can't forget about her. Well, another day, another bus build. Woo. Whew, that is rough. Rough. But we'll get better. We got this. We got this. Well, that's a little better. Figuring out our deal. A lot better than that one. One down, 7 more to go, or something like that. There's so much routing fun. No power tools and flip-flops. Rule number 1. So we took that much out of each one. So it turned from that into, oh yeah. Now it's time to clean up. Or we can make a sawdust angel. Make a sawdust angel. A little itchy. I'm pretty much a sawdust angel as it is. Oh, look at all the dust flying off. Well, we're gonna be cleaning now for a good 5 minutes or so. Woo! Let's get her done. Get her done. All right, we're all done cleaning. We're all done cutting. Now, we gotta get all done installing. Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's rock and roll. And now we got, what, 9 more to go? 8 more to go. Something like that. We got it. Well, you want to tell them that was easy?
It was so easy.
Yeah, it was so easy, huh? Just like that. Wow, look at it now. Now she looks like it's framed.
Looking official.
Yeah. Just gonna cut them down and then put spacers right there. Might even just cut them down and put little here and there spacers. Make it easy on ourselves. So from here, we're gonna cut that furring strip out. What else do we have today? That might have been it. It took longer to route those down than we originally thought. That was actually a lot of miscellaneous work. That could have been done in here and there, but it was easy to get it all done at once. Pretty much gonna cut that top furring strip and yeah, screw that up and get going. We already have that back wall cut too. It's right there on the floor. So maybe we could put that up right now as well. Wanna do that? All right, let's go. The furring strips that never end. It's coming along nicely though. Just got a couple more here to go. Next, we'll probably be drilling into the roof. Next episode, we're gonna be doing the ceiling vent and also, what else did you say?
The hose.
Oh yes, the radiator hose. That will be
Fun.
That'll be a fun day. But We'll have to drain all the radiator fluid, swap out that hose on the water pump, and then replace with a new one. However, the hose clamps are not opening. We might have to cut them off somehow with a Dremel or something like that, but that's until we get there. So far, I think this is the end of this episode, actually. Pretty much furring strips and furring strips.
Yep. Routing them out and putting them in.
But we got a lot done. Anything getting done is worth it. I don't know.
One step closer to being done.
Yep. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. If you guys made it this far, thank you very much. We enjoy it. We hope to get more cooking for you guys. Oh yeah, I forgot. You guys are supposed to look down on us. Not like we're the giants. Not like they're the tiny. Well, no, we're the giants. They're the giants of the world. So we'll work on it. We'll see you guys on the next one. Well, I think at this point, this is our bus build, and you'll be seeing an air mattress here, and the next 2 minutes, and all done. Bus build's done. We're done. Just like that.
Oh, finally.
Oh yeah, all done. We'll get a little gallon of water. Put a little spout at the end. That'll be our sink. And we'll be good to go. Good to go in no time. See you guys on the road.